This kind of net bag is very easy to make by using a technique used from the Stone Age up to recent times. You simply take the end of the cord and loop it around the previous row and turn it around itself a number of times. You do not need to do any of these extra turns, but it quickens the work and makes the netting less dense. The cord I'm using has an S twist, and therefore it is important that I turn it into a Z twist. Notice how I give the cord a twist for each turn, otherwise it will just be limp and boring like this. Let us zoom in on the next stitch. On denser nettings I would use a needle, but here I find it easier to just use my fingers. And now you just repeat the same stitch until you have a finished net bag, and you can attach it to a pair of handles as these found in the Viking settlement of Hedeby.